So if we now have a quick look at this cumulative frequency graph and how we would work out the medians and the quartiles, what you're going to do is basically look at how much data there is. So there's 80 pieces of data here, and to work out the median, you then just halve that value. So that's important. That's different to what we were doing with the raw data when we did n plus 1 divided by 2. With cumulative frequencies, we will just do n divided by 2. So 80 divided by 2 is 40, and I then read across at 40, get to my curve, and then go down to read off the value. So you should actually draw this on the graph, use a ruler, and be as precise as you possibly can be. That's important because sometimes in these exams there is no margin for error. Particularly if they've drawn the graph for you, they are expecting you to get exactly the right number. So if we go across at 40, you can read down here, and we can see that each square here counts for 1. So we've basically got 88 as being our median weight in kilograms. If we then want to do lower quartile, we do a quarter of 80, so that's going to be 20. And if we draw a line going across at 20, we can then read down. Let's move that across. And I can read off that value, try and be a bit more precise there. I can see that that is about 83 for my lower quartile, and then 3/4 of 80 for the upper quartile, so that's going to be reading across at 60. And if I go over, I can read off that value, which in this case is 93. So if I then wanted to work out, let's say, the interquartile range, it would be the upper quartile minus the lower quartile, 93, take away 83, which would be, in this case, 10.